Hey everybody, just wanted to welcome you to PSY 129. Class starts today. Thought I'd make just a little video giving you some overview of how the class goes and what it looks like. I've switched our view to a grid view, so if you log in and go to our class right here, um, what you'll see is the chapters are all along here. Oh, the title is at the top, so course information, and if you click on that, it kind of pops up here and there's a list of things you want to go through, um, and you can check them off as you do them. It checked it off because I tested everything. Getting up and running, this is where you want to start. It's got a kind of a list straight down, and when you get here, after you do the video about getting started with mind tap about registering, then you can click this link and it sort of takes you where you need to go. And so it won't do it the first time for me because I'm not paying, but that video shows you how you log in and where you would put a code if you bought something from the bookstore. So anyway, it links up here like this. It's all single sign-on, so once you're in your Fredonia account, you just get right over to that. I also have a video on different types of assignments, so I won't go over too much of that here. I have that. But you'll want to go through everything in this listing and make sure you understand everything. And then to make sure you go through both of these modules, at the end, there is a course contract I want you to go through. And basically all the answers to the questions in the course contract are in the readings that you're supposed to do between the course information and getting up and running. In the course information, there's all kinds of resources. The library hours for the summer, direct getting library support, link to ITS. Also, I have stuff here like technical support for OnCourse and MindTap. Those are course resources. Here's our syllabus and our course calendar. You want to make sure you look through all of that. All right. So for every chapter, you can go through things two ways. The main thing I want you to watch is don't forget about the discussion boards. So I've put them right under the assignment list. But you can use any of these links to get you over to Cengage. The reading will take you right to the reading, but once you're in there, so let's see here. It loads up, and once you're in the area for where the reading is, it's going to be a single sign-on, takes you right to the chapter. It just lands there briefly and then sends you where you want to go. But let me move myself down here. If you don't want to read right now, you change your mind, you can just click that closed, and this gives you access to the things that are open right now to you. So this is going to open. I'm actually going to change this to open here sooner. I wasn't sure how to link it yet, but now I've got it worked out. So all of the assignments that you do in here, right, will be moved over into your grade book for the course. Okay. So between those two things, these two things should tell you everything you need to know to orient you to the class. So take your time and go through those and look. Then when you get to chapter 1, all of those things are individual. This is a link to some flashcards, online flashcards that are helpful. You can practice as much as you want on that. And then here's the listing of all the things you have to do. But an overview is here. And also there's a little video of just highlighting different aspects of the chapter. And here's your list, and you want to make sure you get through all of that. So I'm already going to open up chapter 1 to you, so you should get started, but you need to do the icebreaker and go through all the information in here. And then check in with me if you have any problems. Send me an email. All right, well, welcome to the class. I hope this is a good little orientation for you. Thanks.